temperature of 72 degrees occurred at 6:07 a.m. The normal low is 67. The record low is 53 degrees, which was last set in 1946. The average temperature was 82, which was 5 degrees above normal. 0.31 inches of precipitation fell yesterday, which brings the monthly total to 3.02 inches. KHC27's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station KHC27, broadcasting near Rock Hill, on a frequency of 162.425 MHz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Cherokee, Chester, Fairfield, Lancaster, Union, and York. And in North Carolina, Cleveland, Mecklenburg, and Union. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Torn Alert Test. The Charlotte